Welcome back. We have reached the last part of our lesson for today. So we are going to go over our concept map for the last time. So during this lesson, we looked at the shapes and the sizes of cells. We also spoke about specialization of cells, tissues, organs. We looked at systems and organisms. We also spoke about the microscope and the history and discovery of it. We then looked at microscopic and macroscopic organisms, and then we spoke about stem cells. We were then introduced to new terms, so we looked at unicellular, which means consisting of one cell. We spoke about multicellular, which means consisting of many cells. We looked at microscopic organisms, which are large enough to be seen with the naked eyes. We then spoke about to specialize, which is to take on a particular function. And then we spoke about stem cells, which are cells that have the ability to divide and develop into many different cell types. Now we are going to move on to the common errors. Try not to make the following mistakes, like confusing a cell, a tissue, and an organ. These are three different things. The cell gives rise to tissues, and tissues give rise to organs. So you cannot confuse the three of them. And also try not to confuse microscopic and macroscopic. If it's micro, it means it is small enough and we need a microscope to see it. Whereas if it is macro, it means it is big enough for us to see with our naked eye. Lastly, do not confuse the difference between unicellular and multicellular. If it is uni, it means it is made up of one cell. And then if it is multi, it means it is made up of many cells. So try not to make those mistakes. Now we have come to our challenge question. So our challenge question says, while stem cells may have a positive impact on science and medicine, why do you think there are still people who have a strong argument against stem cell harvesting? So that is the question that you are going to have to look on and research over the week, and I will see you next time.